In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on chess.com. Whether you're looking for a totally new alias or just want a fresh start, this quick process will have you set up in no time. Changing your username is a straightforward task, but it's always helpful to have a step-by-step guide at hand, especially if you're navigating the site for the first time. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to chess.com and sign into your account. If you're like most users, you might already have it bookmarked or saved in your favorite sites, but if not, you can simply type chess.com into your browser's search bar to get started. Signing in is essential since you'll need access to your profile settings. Once you've signed into your account, direct your attention to the menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. There you will see a Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your Chess Coworker profile, making it personalized to suit your preferences. Next, you'll need to look for the option that allows you to change your username. It should be quite visible and located right next to where your current username is displayed. Once you find it, click on Change. This will open up the field that lets you type in a new username. Here comes the fun part. Entering your new username. It's time to get creative, but keep in mind any requirements chess.com might have regarding username length or character use. Try to pick something unique yet still easy to remember. Keep in mind that this is how other players will identify you on the platform. Once you've settled on a name, simply type it into the designated field. After entering your new username, you'll need to confirm the change by clicking the Save button. This action ensures that your new identity is stored within the system. Double check your new username before clicking Save to make sure there's no unfortunate typo. After all, this will be your chess persona, and it's as easy as that. Your new username should now be active on chess.com, ready for you to challenge friends, participate in tournaments, and continue honing your strategic skills under your new moniker. Remember that usernames are sometimes limited to one change, so make sure this is the name you want to stick with for a good while. Thanks for watching and happy playing.